Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to put ads on YouTube video. So first is you have to make sure that you have logged into your YouTube account and go to your YouTube studio. So just type out right here studio and then make sure to log in to your account or to your channel. And then right here you have to go to your content and make sure that you have selected an 8 minutes and above video in order for you to edit or manage the ads. Okay, so right here I'm going to edit this 8 minutes long video. So to edit it, you just have to click on this pencil icon. Okay, and then after that you'd be able to see this section right here. Now just go to the monetization section. Okay, now you just have to make sure to turn on the monetization. So just click on it and then click on on. Now just click on next. So right here, you just have to read all of these details about your video. And if you are not violating any of this, you just have to click on none of the above and then just click on submit. So right here, you'll be able to see the review placement. So you just have to click on it. And then right here, you can add an ads by clicking on add break. Okay, so just click on it. Now you just have to specify the time if when will be this ads will appear on your video. So you can just type out 4 minutes, 2 minutes, and then right here at the bottom you'd be able to see this small color blue icon. It means that your ads will appear in this time. So after that, just click on continue and then just have to click on save, and then there you have it. You have put in ads on your YouTube video. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.